Hey yo, what's going on guys? Today welcome back to a brand new vlog, and today I am going to vlog for you guys. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And yes, I just got out of the shower right now, so I am preparing to go to masjid for Jumu'ah. And Jumu'ah Mubarak to you all. I'm bringing guys along with me, so yeah, make sure you guys do subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys when I'm done dressing food. So let me just see something. Oh, I forgot. Guys, can't open it. Oh. Okay guys, Alhamdulillah, Jumu'ah Mubarak to you all. I just came home now, so I hope you guys enjoyed that short montage also from me sitting in the masjid. And I hope you guys stay around because I will either continue this video into later. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so it's currently supper time and I'm eating here with the fam. Some cheese pizza. Yo guys, welcome back to today's vlog. And yeah, you guys are most probably wondering why do I have such montages, but today I'm out with the family. As you guys can see, I'm busy making a braai. Yeah, it's not a big braai, but yeah, it's just small for the family. And yeah, I'll decide to put this vlog into the vlog that I made on Friday. And there's I think a short clip of Saturday, and then today Monday, which is Boxing Day. So yeah, we're just out by the beach in Claremont. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe, because 49% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so we are making our way to the beach after we had lunch, which was 2 hours ago, and then we played a game of soccer, and yeah, we lost 3-2. But yeah, they were kind of playing pro, so we're not pro. I mean, I haven't played fives in a while. I used to play fives every weekend, but I mean, I never played fives for like what, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, I think 5 months. Okay, but guys, yeah, we're going to make ourselves to the water now. Yo guys, this waves is crazy right now, and the water is freezing cold. What the hell's that? Abdul? What the hell? Guys, this water is super freezing right now. What a massive. I think it's high tide. Come here. Guys, this is the ocean in Claremont. Abhalik, what do you say about the water?
Crazy.
And it's cold now. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you enjoy my vlogs. What the? Oh, you sick! You. Guys, this water is sickening. Look at all the people over there. Guys, we got him Ronak the piece right there at the back. Yo, it's waves after wave. Guys, I don't even think I'll be swimming in this water. I don't even think I'll be swimming. I don't think I'll be swimming in here. Oh shoot! Okay guys, so if I do swim in the water, I'll be filming for you guys. If not, then I won't be filming it, and then I'll definitely end the video by there. But look how crazy big is this wave right there.
Guys, our Master Brown is in there, right there, guys, and Imran. Okay, guys, Master Brown literally fell. He fell. Guys, he's like in there. I don't get too close. He's right there, guys, right there. Oh, there he went. Guys, this water feels so cool. Okay guys, so Master Brown. I saw that. Guys, in the road, the Master Brown, they are right there.